much what we call a grind fest. Stan the man. It's when we all jump on it together and hammer away. This is how a dustless grinder should be working. What boys are doing here is recreating our halted deck joint with the narrowing of our part in the center by bringing it in 3 inches. What that is causing, each side twists, so our halted deck joint was on a bit of an angle. Maybe I'm exaggerating, it was about this much of an angle where we needed it at 90 degrees. It's late into the night. I'm shutting down the shop. I have not done nearly the amount of video that this deck liner has taken and what Scotty and Joe have been doing to it. I saw that Scott has reestablished that detail. He asked me earlier to run him off a picture, and he really picked up on this detail right here, how on a Mako it really peaks right here. You can actually see it, how thin it is right here. Then it goes back down. So I call it very Garlington-like, very bullet-like. I know the lighting's not the best in here, but Scott and Joey really knocked the fairing out of the park. Now they'll come in with their different shape blocks, shaping all their edges, razor straight. Well done. Boys of Metan, making it Metan.